Team 2 heading for base security.
Team 3 is in place.
Bravo, team. We got good news and bad news. Launch control is located southwest of your position, less than half a click away. That's where you'll need to upload the abort codes to destroy the missiles in flight.
Guys, go with the Yanks and hit the security station. So Griggs and I will head for launch control.
Roger. Come on, what's the bad news?
The bad news is we're still trying to get those abort codes. Over.
The hell with it. We'll give it our best shot. Out.
Let's move. Captain Price, this is 5 Delta 6. We're clearing the east wing and heading for base security, over.
Roger, Delta 6. We're right above you in the vents. Watch your fire.
Copy that, sir.
Внимание! Войска противника вошли в базу! Я повторяю! Войска противника вошли в базу!
Captain Price, 2 Yankee 6 reporting in. We're meeting with heavy resistance in the south wing. They've locked down our access point over here, over.
Roger, Yankee 6. Regroup with Team 2 and help them gain control of base security. Over.
Roger that, sir. We're pulling back to regroup with Team 2. Yankee 6 out.
Captain Price, we're sending your team the abort codes you'll need to auto-destruct the missiles in flight. You have 11 minutes before those missiles reach the eastern seaboard. Over.
Copy that.
Российские войска вступили в базон бараку! Подтверждение на уложение «Коряка». Войска противника достигли места допуска. Отдайте дверь. Вход в комнату.
Внимание! Начат основной запуск с 3-й по 6-й шахты. Обеспечьте все ракетные позиции. Подача горючего отдельно.
What's going on? What are they saying? They've started a bloody countdown. Sakhaev's going to launch the remaining missiles. Keep moving.
We got 8 minutes left.
going on? What are they saying? They've started a bloody countdown. Zakaya's gonna launch the remaining missiles. Keep...
We got 8 minutes left. Ракетные координаты запрограммированы.
Go, go, go!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Move, move!
1. Зажигание. Запуск завершен.
Captain Price, this is Gaz. We're taking control of base security. What's your status? Over.
Guys, we're in position. Open the outer door to launch control.
Roger, we're on it. Stand by. Almost there. Got it. Doors coming online now.
Oh, you gotta be shitting me. Guys, can't you make it open faster?
Negative, sir. But you can try pulling it if it makes you feel better. Cheeky bastard. We got 6 minutes left. Team 3, what's your status? Over. Team 3 in position at the southeast side of the launch control room, standing by. Are you at the far wall? Over. 5 minutes.
Preparing to breach. Soap, plug the explosives. Go! Go, go, go!
Going in.
So, enter the code. We'll watch for enemy reinforcements.
Stand by for confirmation. Stand by. Stand by. Bravo 6, all warheads have been confirmed destroyed in flight. We got a ton of debris, but most of it's landing in the ocean.
Sir, check the security feed. It's the can. He's taking off.
Captain Price, this is Gaz at the security station. They came in by trucks. I'm thinking we can use all of these to get the hell out of here. I'm sending you the coordinates to the vehicle depot.
Roger that. We'll meet you at the vehicle depot. Out. Everyone follow me. Let's go!
All teams, this is command. Recommend you exfil from the area immediately. Large numbers of hostile forces are converging on your position. Get out of there now.
We're taking some fire up here at the vehicle depot. Where the hell are you guys?
We're coming up the lift. Stand by.
You know, sir, I wouldn't mind getting a shot at Takeo.
Yeah, well, get in line, mate. He can find us first. All right, get in the trucks. Let's go.
You heard the man. Move!